Over the course of the next few minutes, we're going to go through some of the basics of the foreign exchange market, how it works, how people trade it, and what makes currency pairs move. So in this latest video with Trading 212, what I thought we'd do is take maybe something of a step back. Now I appreciate plenty of people are quite familiar with foreign exchange trading, but for some people it might be a new thing. So we'll do a few minutes just explaining how this market works, when you're trading, what you're actually trading, and what makes currency pairs move. Now, first of all, foreign exchange market, it's the biggest market in the world, bar none. It trades trillions of dollars a day around the clock. So it appeals to both traders who are trading small size and larger size because it's relatively easy to get your trades filled and the cost of doing business is much lower when compared to other markets. With currency markets, no currency moves in isolation. So we have the idea of currency pairs, one currency quoted against another. So to make sense of this, let's take a quick look on the platform. So we're on the Trading 212 platform. Let's click the search tool up here, top left, and see what's available to trade. Let's click on currencies. Now, so here's the list of various currencies, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, Czech koruna, and so it goes on. So there are potentially hundreds of permutations we could trade. For example, if we go down to here, the PLN, Polish zloty, if you wanted to, you could take a view on the Polish zloty against the Japanese yen, Polish zloty against the Mexican peso. So there are all sorts of combinations you can do here. What most people tend to do, in the beginning at least, is stick to the major markets, the major currency pairs, because there's normally plenty going on in those markets. And with Trading 212, if you're trading 25,000 units or less, you can trade these with zero spread. So let me just highlight these by typing in zero at the top. So there we go. The most popular market, euro dollar. Then we have the other majors, dollar Japanese yen, pound US dollar, and the dollar against the Swiss franc. So when we're looking at currencies and currency pairs, it's all about relative value. Is one currency stronger or weaker than another currency? And to get an idea of this, let's take a look at how one currency pair has moved over recent months. So all a currency pair is showing is the relative value of one currency versus another. So if we're looking here, in this example, pound US dollar, we can see at the beginning of 2017, so January 2017, £1 would buy you around about $1.22. At the beginning of September, the pound had risen in value and £1 would buy you $1 and almost 32 cents. So when we're looking at forex pairs, foreign exchange trading,